Hi there, this is Save the Crypto. Okay, so my last video, which is called Bitsgap Crypto Trading Bot Results After 10 Days, it's not good. Seems to have stirred up a bit of controversy, if you like. I honestly think people aren't quite getting it, what I'm talking about. I mean, thanks very much for all your comments here. The last one made me think, Terence LeBlanc, thanks very much for your comment, by the way. He said, you're way off. I'm not going to go into detail, but basically you're in a profit. The bot buys quote currency. Okay, well, let me just have a look, because the quote currency I was talking about, in each case, the quote currency was BTC, right? So that's what I was interested in increasing. So I was basically buying Avalanche, Doc, Cardano, Uniswap, and eGold with the quote currency BTC. Dollars weren't involved with this. This is the whole point. Is I did this with BTC because obviously the dollar value of everything varies, but my goal was to get more BTC. So in this experiment, I started off with, I think it was 1.2 BTC, and I haven't got that anymore. I've got way less now. Let me just finish what Terence was saying. The bot buys quote currency. Okay, that was BTC in this case. When you switch to BTC, I didn't switch to BTC because USD is never involved. It's just that Bitsgap displays USD by default, so it's the USD value of the BTC. Okay, so it's not taking these funds into consideration. That's not true. If you sold all your quote into BTC, that red number would change to green. You're actually up in profit by 4.43%. Okay, well, let's do this, shall we? So let's go over to Bitsgap and let's have a look what's going on. I will emphasize again, this is in demo mode, so I haven't actually lost any money. But let's look at it. So these bots have been running for 27 days and 14 hours, pretty much all of them. And they all appear to be in profit. Except Avalanche, which is minus 7.43%. But, you know, you got eGold up 10%, Uni 32%, Cardano 7.23%, DOT 48%, which should be really cool, right? Now, the profit it's showing is the total is $8,000 in profit, and the bot profit is 2,144. Now, my point being is US dollars weren't involved with this, right? All the trades were all between an altcoin and BTC, which is why I think it makes more sense to just display it. Now, this isn't converting anything, this is just displaying it in BTC, right? So this is now going to display in BTC. Whoops. Okay, so look here. So it looks like the DOT made 1%. Everything else did not. And, you know, the overall profit seems to be minus 0.19 BTC. So let's go along with what Taryn said, and let's stop all these bots. Okay, so to stop these, I need to just click that, and then I could just go cancel all open orders. And what I want to do is I want to sell at market price. So this is going to sell them all back to BTC. Okay. So that one's done. Let's do this one. And again, I'm going to sell at market price, confirm. And this one here, it's Cardano. And I'm going to sell at market price, confirm. And DOT, I'm going to sell at market price, confirm. And this one here, I'm going to sell at market price, confirm. Okay. Right, so I've got no active bots now at all. And if I look at my balance, I can see that, yeah, all my, I mean, I've got tiny tiny weeny bits of like, Sol and all this sort of stuff left over from previous things. But I've got 0.9278 BTC. I started off the 1.2, so I've lost zero point 0.2 of a Bitcoin. I mean, thank God this is just a demo mode and it's not real money. If that was real money, I'd be quite devastated, to be honest. But the whole point being is it looked like the dollar value had gone up and I'd made, a few grand. So Bitsgap, I'm sorry, I'm not going to recommend it at all. And if the Bitsgap team want to get in touch with me, please do, because there's something I'm not getting. I don't think your system is very good at all. Okay, right, I promise my next video is definitely going to be positive. But yeah, Bitsgap, give it a wide berth. I have been using 3 commas DCA bot. I'll show you that. Now, I don't fully understand how these bots work, but I basically started this off yesterday with some Ethereum. I think it was about like $500 worth of Ethereum. And yesterday the profit was over $100. And so today's profit, it's 8 o'clock in the morning now. So today's profit is $29.19. Total profit 191 since midday yesterday. This looks like a lot better way to go than me. So so I'll be doing another video about the 3 commas bot. But yeah, Bitsgap, give it a wide berth. Sorry guys, but I tried it. It doesn't work. Okay, this is Save with Crypto saying thank you very much for watching, subscribing, and I'm sure I'm going to get loads of comments saying I've done it wrong again, but I can't say as I have. I started off the 1.2 Bitcoin and I've now got less than 1 Bitcoin. So something went wrong somewhere. All right, thanks a lot. This is Save with Crypto. Bye.